The power of memory palace. Techniques is explored as a study tool for the NCLEX exam. This video demonstrates how to create and utilize a memory palace to effectively retain and recall crucial nursing information for exam success. Why the memory palace works for NCLEX. Understanding the science behind memory palaces. Leverage spatial memory. Our brains are naturally wired to remember locations, making spatial memory a powerful tool for learning. Visualize and associate. Creating vivid images in your minds eye and connecting them to the information you need to learn strengthens neural pathways. Practice makes perfect. Repeatedly using your memory palace reinforces the connections between locations and information, enhancing your ability to recall. Neuroscience behind memory palaces. Memory palaces work by tapping into the part of the brain responsible for long-term memory and spatial navigation. Enhanced encoding and retrieval. By associating information with specific locations, the memory palace improves both encoding and retrieval of information, making it easier to remember. How to choose the NCLEX specific memory palace. Choose a place you know well. It can be your home, your office. Break down your study material into manageable chunks. Assign each chunk a location within your palace. Place each piece of information in a distinct spot within your palace using imagery and association. Connect the dots. Create a unique visual for each piece of information and place it within your palace, forming a mental pathway for recall. Visualize your palace. Take a mental walk through your chosen location, noting each landmark. Select the most important facts, concepts, or medication information to learn. Adjust your palace as needed, adding new information or replacing outdated details as you progress through your studies. Test yourself. Practice recalling information by imagining yourself walking through your palace and retrieving the information associated with each location. Recent research has confirmed the effectiveness of memory palaces for learning and retaining complex information, including medical terminology and procedures. This can be particularly helpful for the NCLEX, where recall of specific details is crucial. Relax and focus. Create a calm and focused study environment to maximize your memory palace effectiveness. Trust the process. With consistent practice, your memory palace will become a powerful tool to help you conquer the NCLEX.